Introducing Perio-Mate from NSK. Introduction and unboxing. NSK's Perio-Mate is an air polishing handpiece for cleaning both sub and supragingival tooth surfaces. With Perio-Mate powder, it can remove plaque and eliminate biofilm quickly and efficiently. Perio-Mate is available in 3 different backends: NSK and KVO back-end models to connect to those couplers, and a direct connect model for all M4 connections. Today, we will demonstrate with the NSK back-end model. In this video, we'll explain the contents in the package, the operation of, and before and after use care and maintenance for the device. Let's begin. Here's what you'll find inside the box: handpiece, powder case with its cap, spare powder case cover, spare O-rings, maintenance kit. The maintenance kit includes a cleaning file, small and large cleaning wires, a cleaning brush, tip remover, ring wrench, a little oil container, and a blower nozzle which fits the type of back end of the handpiece. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.